Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. You need to begin by opening device's settings and scrolling all the way down to access safety and emergency. Then scroll all the way down again, tap on Emergency Contacts, select Add Emergency Contact and tap on the one that you wish to add. You can do that to the second and a third one. In order to remove one of your contacts, select this red icon next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Lastly, make sure that this switcher next to Show Info when locked is definitely on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!